Good morning, everyone. This is Wild Whiskers TV. Let's find out and study the adorable and exotic animals with unique whiskers living in the earth. And at the end, I have a question for you to answer, and you might be one of the lucky ones to win this channel's annual raffle promo. Let's go. Walruses are marine mammals that reproduce sexually, with males and females coming together to mate. Male walruses typically become sexually mature around the age of 7 to 8 years, while females become sexually mature at around 4 to 6 years of age. Walruses usually mate during the winter breeding season, which takes place from January to March. After a successful mating, the female walrus will carry her calf for about 15 months, and then give birth to a single calf that weighs around 45 to 75 kilograms, 100 to 165 pounds. Female walruses usually give birth to one calf every 2 years. Walrus calves are born on ice floes, and they are able to swim and dive within hours of being born. In terms of lifespan, walruses can live up to 40 years in the wild, although many do not survive past their 20s due to natural predators, such as polar bears and killer whales, as well as human activities, such as hunting and habitat destruction. In captivity, walruses have been known to live longer, with some individuals living into their 40s and 50s. Walruses are large, marine mammals that are easily recognized by their unique physical features. Here are some of the main characteristics of walruses. Tusked. Walruses have long, ivory tusks that can grow up to 1 meter, 3.3 feet, in length. Both male and female walruses have tusks, which they use for a variety of purposes, including fighting, digging for food, and helping them haul themselves up onto the ice. Thick-skinned. Walruses have very thick, wrinkled skin that helps to insulate them from the cold water. Their skin can be up to 10 centimeters, 4 inches, thick, and is covered with short, bristly hairs. Large. Adult male walruses can weigh up to 1,500 kilograms, 3,300 pounds, while adult females can weigh up to 1,000 kilograms, 2,200 pounds. They can grow up to 3.5 meters, 11 feet, in length. Whiskered. Walruses have sensitive whiskers, or vibrissae, on their faces that help them detect food in murky water. Their whiskers can grow up to 30 centimeters, 12 inches, long. Sociable. Walruses are social animals and can often be found in large groups, or herds, of up to several hundred individuals. These herds can be quite vocal, with walruses communicating through grunts, groans, and bell-like vocalizations. Adapted to the cold. Walruses are found in the Arctic and subarctic regions, where they are adapted to survive in cold water and on ice. They have a layer of blubber under their skin to help keep them warm, and they are able to slow down their metabolism to conserve energy during long periods of fasting. Walruses play an important ecological role in the Arctic and subarctic marine ecosystems where they live. Here are some ways in which walruses contribute to their environment. Keystone species. As top predators, walruses help regulate the populations of the animals they prey on, such as clams, mussels, and other bottom-dwelling organisms. This makes them a keystone species in their ecosystem. Habitat engineers. Walruses are also considered habitat engineers because of the way they interact with their environment. For example, they use their tusks to create holes in the ice, which they can use as breathing holes or to haul themselves out of the water. These holes can also provide habitat for other animals, such as fish and invertebrates. Nutrient cycling. When walruses feed on clams and other bottom-dwelling organisms, they release nutrients back into the environment through their feces. This helps to fertilize the water and support the growth of other organisms in the ecosystem. Cultural significance. Walruses have also been an important part of the culture and traditions of many indigenous peoples in the Arctic and subarctic regions. They have been hunted for food, clothing, and other resources for thousands of years, and continue to be an important part of these communities today. My question: what is the breeding season of walruses? Comment your answer with your name. And please share, consider subscribe and click the bell icon. Your simple viewing, sharing and subscribing is big help to self-supporting student in the Philippines that we help. Thank you.